All right, guys, today is Sunday, March the 3rd. And after we got the ignition fixed, this battery just doesn't have enough power. It's just too small. SMall, small. Look, that's a great big one over here. Let me get this thing changed out real quick. See what I mean? It's so teeny. Let's put the bigger battery in. You guys tell I get paranoid about getting stuck in the woods? You should know that by now. Ta-da! That's a manly battery. Now let's see if it'll crank. Oh, that was a manly crank. That's so much better. All right, I'm gonna back this thing outside. Go close the hood. All right, guys, we got a little small project today. That's going to be putting the carpet in the back seat, since we decided not to go with the box to save some room. Let's say the back seats in the back of the Jeep. Anyway, I'm going to wipe this down with a little Windex. It's got a lot of dust on it. And I'll show you what I got. Alright, guys. I placed an order with BedRug for the rear cargo area. Now that I'm not building a box back there, I figured I need to put some carpet. I love the stuff up front so much. I was kind of glad to do it. It's kind of dirty right now, but let me get this out of the box and let's see what we got. Alright, guys, here's what you get. You get the two side panels, the floor, and then the tailgate cover. Not sure if I'm gonna run the tailgate cover yet or not. Dude, I'm gonna be building a fold-out table eventually. Oh, and you get a ton of Velcro. Let me just kind of lay it out and see what it looks like. Alright, guys, if you watched my first video on installing the front carpet, you know it comes with the Velcro already attached, and so you just got to put this Velcro on top of it. Very simple. Now I will say with the front, everything come cut, and here you just got to lay it on and then cut it yourself. It's not a big deal. It cuts real easy. Alright, let me get through putting all this Velcro on and I'll get back with you. Alright, guys, I got all the Velcro on. We got plenty left over. Not a lot, but plenty. I think what I'm going to do today is just put this carpet in. I've not used the Velcro yet. Let it kind of get used to being in place. And then we'll come back and peel off the tape with the Velcro and stick it down tomorrow. Here's one thing I noticed. Where it goes through the roll bar, they didn't cut it all the way through. I guess that's in case you had your roll bar out and you wanted to put it in, so you will have to trim a little piece here. I guess that's probably there for the seat belts, maybe. I don't have any in right now, so I'm gonna leave it alone. But it's good to have it marked. This stuff goes in so easy. Almost do it one-handed. I really do like this product. Again, if you're looking for, super lush carpet, this is probably not the kit for you. I wanted something that I could definitely take out of the Jeep. The little pieces of white you see here, that's just the back of the tape. That'll all be coming off when I tape it down. Alright, let me stick the other two pieces in. I'll get back to you. Alright guys, I decided to put the tailgate cover on. I do like the looks of it. So I had to take this off. One screw. And then there's a panel that goes on right here. You have to take it off because the rug fits underneath it. Anyhow, I got the inside in. It looks really good. I haven't finished it quite yet because there is I need to let it settle for a little bit. Push it up in here tighter. But I think it's going to fit just fine. And again, I haven't put any Velcro, which will hold everything up in here. I'm going to have a big dog bed back here anyhow, so that's pretty much going to hold everything down. But the Velcro will work just fine. I think I'm going to, while I took these covers off, I've got some black vinyl paint. I think I'm going to go ahead and paint these tonight, so you're probably not going to see this till later. But I'm going to go ahead and put the pad on. Well, it looks good, man. I think I'm going to quickly paint these parts. That way I won't have to take them off again. I think it's going to be just fine. Like I said, I've got to put all the Velcro on all three of the other pieces. I think it's going to fit just right. I definitely like the tailgate cover though. That's pretty nice. It'll look really good once I get these pieces painted and put on there. I still got to do a little trimming of some of the carpet and stuff, but it fits very good. Alright, let me get to painting real quick. Alright guys, I lied. You do get to see this totally mounted on. Looks really good. Here's what happened though. I was going to spray paint it right out here. And somewhere, somehow, I have lost the mineral spirit. And I didn't want to put it on there without, scuffing it up and wiping it down. So anyhow, I just put the bolts in. It's no big deal. And then I will find the mineral spirit tomorrow. My garage is destroyed right now. I'll have to give y'all a garage walkthrough on the next and see what's going on. It's crazy in there. Can't find nothing. Alright guys, it's kind of a shorty today. I'm going to wrap it up. And I'll talk to you next Tuesday.